Hey guys, today we're going to be opening a Pokemon card pack. I opened it up already, and at last second I thought, why don't I just get my iPad? And I already did the card trick and everything, and I can just film you. I'm sorry, I just messed up. Okay, so first we got a Horsey. A Horsey, you already saw this. Horsey, there. Got, and it's only one pack, I'm sorry. Mortipo. Oh wait, I got the rose. Mortipo. There is Grookey. Why does it say 25th anniversary on it? Look, you see that? That's weird. It's not a 25th anniversary pack. That's weird. Shelter. Oinks. Oinks. We got great ball trainer. We have Drowsy. The special, the shiny one. This Wooper. And oh my god, guys. What is the... Oh my god. Guys. Was it a good day? Yeah, it was a great day at school. That was my mom. Yeah, I had a good weekend. Jesus, guys. Okay. I'm so excited. Yeah. Pikachu. Vmax. Oh my god, guys. Watch me pull this. The back is gold too? And it feels like metal. Wait. Is that metal? How did I not feel this? Oh, now if I... Oh, yeah, my god. There's no way I pulled this card. This... Put it away. I'm just gonna put it away. Oh god. Oh, that... Oh wait, there's no way. How did I pull this cord? I have random open spots right here. I don't know why I do. Oh no, it's the Wooper. I don't know why. I just do for some reason. Just weird. Oh yeah, and here's my Gengar B. I forgot to pull this on camera, but I pulled this card. A Gengar B. I was really excited. But now, guys, I'm way more excited. Oh my god. Pikachu V? Look at this. Oh my god. Should I just put it right in the middle so everybody can see it? Pikachu V, right there. Right in the middle. Pikachu V. I still can't believe it's really sunny. I have Russian math, but this helps me make it up. Oh my god. I can't believe I just did this. Oh my god. My friend Luke really wanted me to do this. You really wanted me to open up Pokemon cards. And I did. And my first Vmax is Pikachu. Golden Rainbow? Guys, we just pulled this card. I don't even know what to say. Let's just take it out. Look at guys, it's metal. You hear this? Oh, look, that's my dog. Hey, Juna, look. We got Pika. Oh, yeah, no, I forgot to show you the back is gold, too. Look at that Pokemon. Look at this card. I can't believe I just pulled. Wait. You hear that? The Pokeball's like scratchy. Wow, guys. I pulled this card. I'm gonna go tell my friend Luke tomorrow. He's gonna be so jealous. And yeah, I pulled it. And I don't know what to say. So bye.